C'est un acteur. It's an actor. He is an actor. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to learn about the omission of the indefinite article. And if you wonder what omission means, well, it simply means that we are going to see in which cases we do not need to use an indefinite article in sentences. So let's start. First, let's recap what indefinite articles are, in case you don't remember them. French has 3 indefinite articles. Un for masculine nouns, une for feminine nouns, and des for plural nouns. There is no indefinite article for nouns starting with a vowel or an A. Now let's recap what they are used for. We know un and une mean a, an, or one, and des means some. They are used for countable nouns and for nouns used in their general meaning, like a cat or one cat, un chat. We do not need an indefinite article in a sentence using the verb to be, être, when it is followed by a noun indicating a profession, a religion, or a nationality. So let's see some examples. Il est protestant. He is a Protestant, and not il est un protestant. Nous sommes français. We are French nationals, and not nous sommes des français. Or, elle est infirmière. She is a nurse, and not elle est une infirmière. As always in French, rules have exceptions. The indefinite articles are used in a sentence using the verb to be, être, when it is followed by a noun indicating a profession, a religion, or a nationality if an adjective is used in the sentence to describe the professional, national, or religious person. So let's see some examples. Elle est une bonne protestante. She is a good Protestant. Nous sommes des Français bruyants. We are noisy French people. Or, il est un célèbre acteur. He is a famous actor. We have another exception to the rule. The indefinite articles are used in a sentence using the verb to be, être, when it is followed by a noun indicating a profession, a religion, or a nationality, if c'est or ce sont are used instead of il est, elle est, ils sont, or elles sont. And in French, we will see that it is absolutely fine to refer to a person using c'est or ce sont, even if c'est means it is. So let's see some examples. C'est une protestante. It is a Protestant. She is a Protestant. Ce sont des Français. It's French people. They are French people. C'est un acteur. It's an actor. He is an actor. Note that in informal situations it is fine to use c'est instead of ce sont. Ce sont des Français or c'est des Français. If you need to make a negative sentence, remember that ne or an apostrophe goes before the conjugated verb and the negative word goes after it. For example, ce n'est plus un docteur. He is no longer a doctor. Je ne suis pas anglaise. I am not English. Or, il n'est pas un bon boulanger. He is not a good baker. With these examples, you should have noted that the indefinite articles stay in negative sentences when the verb used in the sentence is the verb être, to be. This is why I said ce n'est plus un docteur and not ce n'est plus deux docteurs. Or, il n'est pas un bon boulanger and not il n'est pas deux bons boulangers. Of course, there are more cases in which the indefinite articles are omitted, and these will be seen later on. That's it for the omission of the indefinite articles. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!